Hi, welcome to Blue Collar Employee Retention. This is Jeremy Davis, and on this video we're going to talk about the importance of feedback. Not you giving feedback to your employees. Not you doing their annual raise review full of BS jargon and a minimal pay raise. No, we're not talking about that. No. We're talking about you taking accountability. You, your management team, your supervisors, your leaders, all receiving feedback. Research is constantly underscoring the positive benefits of 360-degree feedback. Now, if you're not familiar with 360-degree feedback, it is where every person, not excluding the business owner, not excluding the CEO, not excluding the top management team. No, nobody is excluded. But with 360-degree feedback, everybody is getting feedback on their effectiveness, their role, their productivity, their communication, a whole list of questions that I will help you create, because there's way too much to go over here, but a whole list of questions and thoughts that I will help you create that honestly should go out anonymously, so people are more free to share the honest truth, which is sometimes also called the brutal truth, but it's much better to get a brutal truth than a pleasant lie. Okay? But with 360-degree feedback, let's just say, for example, you are the second shift supervisor over shipping. I don't know. We're really just grasping at straws here. But in that position, you would be receiving feedback from people that you are in charge of. You'd get feedback from other supervisors, especially those closest to you and your shift that you interact with frequently, that know what you do, your role. And you'd get feedback from at least 2 tiers up. Then from this feedback, you get a very good picture of what you do good, what you need to improve on. And if you have the humility to work on those things, you can make yourself a much more effective leader. In fact, to make the most of 360-degree feedback, you need to incorporate these 3 elements before you even start. You need to have clear goals, feedback, an action plan, support, and progress. That is one of the things that with Blue Collar Employee Retention that I offer after we take care of your retention issues and we take care of your turnover. One thing that I offer is support, action plans, and progress to help you continue to grow your business, because I've been in blue collar industries for as long as I've been working, and as you can tell from my gray hair, that has been quite a while. I can really help you grow your business, but that's a different category. We will talk about that after we fix your most important and most costly issue, and that is the amount of money that you are wasting on turnover. But as a leader, one thing that you will discover through doing 360-degree feedback is that the best leaders, this is not just a buzzword. People use this all the time and they use it so incorrectly. Servant leadership. Servant leadership. Now that's become a buzz phrase. Just like quiet quitting, F it Friday, minimum Mondays. It is taken so far out of its true context nowadays that people don't know what it even means to be a servant leader. But servant leaders demonstrate empathy over their ego. When you clock in, you leave your ego outside. You don't bring that to work. No. As a leader, you cannot do that. You prioritize personal development, growing people from within. You implement collaborative decision making. You switch the spotlight from you to them. Let me be careful here though. You switch the positive spotlight from you to them. If it's a negative spotlight, you take that responsibility. You own that. You take that. You do not throw your team under the bus. That's important. Back to servant leadership. Sorry for that little rant. You recognize communication is not a one-way street. No, communication is not you doing the yapping. No, it's about communication. And through that, you learn to be a catalyst for productivity, for safety, for efficiency, for profit, for dress code, for being on time. You are the catalyst for the change. You're not the dictator for the change. That is key. As a servant leader, you are the catalyst for the change, not the dictator demanding the change. And again, as covered in the spotlight category, don't pass the blame. Take the responsibility. So if you do the 360-degree feedback and you take it serious, and trust me, if you hire blue-collar employee retention and you bring me in, I personally will be conducting these interviews. I will personally be conducting internal interviews with everybody. So I will know what's going on in your business and I will help you identify and fix your issues. Now, just to give you, seeing as how you are you're either the business owner, management, HR director, whatever, and you want to know, how will I know if this is working? Well, a few servant leadership measurables are increased productivity, increased retention, decreased turnover, increased customer satisfaction, increased profit, decreased absences. Everything that you want to be positive in your business, if you are correctly doing servant leadership, will happen. Period. Point blank. It is that simple. There's no tricks, there's no gimmicks. Everything positive that you want for your business can be obtained through servant leadership when you take the time to do 360-degree focus, and you're willing to take the feedback from people above you, beside you, below you, and work with it. It is so critical. But again, just go to bluecollaremployeeretention.com. Go to um, schedule an appointment, get there on the calendar, create a time that works best for you, and we'll have a phone call, we'll have a Skype call, whatever, and we'll discover exactly how I can help you increase your retention, decrease your turnover, increase your efficiency, increase your employees' satisfaction, increase sales, increase profitability. Everything that you want in your business can be had. But if you are not willing to make the call, to make the change, well, at the very best, things will stay the same. That's at the very best. Because let me tell you that as Gen Xers approach retirement, if you don't have a plan in place to make yourself a destination employer, things will only get worse. So take this to heart. Go to bluecollaremployeeretention.com and get yourself set up to have a phone call, and we will get you taken care of. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you.